In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit custom fields in Trello. Custom fields in Trello are a fantastic way to add flexibility and structure to your boards, helping you organize your projects just the way you need them. Whether it's a deadline, a status update, or any other specific detail, custom fields let you capture and display key information at a glance. But sometimes you may need to make changes to your fields, maybe to update a name, clarify the purpose, or simply make your board more user-friendly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the quick and easy process of editing custom fields in Trello. First, start by navigating to the Trello board that contains the custom fields you want to modify. This is the board where your custom fields are already set up and in use. If you're managing multiple boards, make sure you're in the correct one to avoid making changes in the wrong place. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is the menu for more options. Go ahead and click that icon to open up the additional settings and tools for your board. It's a small button, but a very important step, as this is where you'll find the settings for managing custom fields. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Custom Fields. This will take you to the section where all the custom fields for this board are listed. If you've set up a variety of fields like drop-downs, checkboxes, or date fields, they'll all be displayed here. Now, look through the list and locate the specific custom field you want to edit. Once you find it, click on that field. This will open up the details for that specific field, allowing you to review its current setup. Take a moment to check that you've selected the correct field, especially if your board contains multiple fields with similar names. Once you're in the details of the custom field, you'll see the option to edit its title or name. This is where you can make changes to better reflect its purpose or align with updates to your workflow. For instance, you might want to rename a field from due date to final deadline to make its purpose clearer. After making the necessary edits, don't forget to save your changes. Saving is crucial to ensure that your updates are applied and reflected across the board. Once you hit save, your revised custom field will be ready to use with its updated title or name. And that's all there is to it. Editing custom fields in Trello is a simple process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your boards organized and efficient. If you're new to Trello and don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start customizing your boards today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.